Alright, so today we got a power wash at the bottom of the boat, baby, the mountain for the Magic Yacht. It's gonna be a long, dirty day, nigga. Long, dirty. It's out that water. Yo, bro, take your boat out the water, bro. Out here cleaning the Magic Yacht. Gotta take care of your baby, man. Everybody wanna get a yacht. They don't want to get the small things that affect that matter. That keep your boat out the water.
Yeah, heard I'm thirsty, couldn't get you if they tried to. Never. Make sure when you pull up on me, bring that vibe through. Bring it. Lift you with that lingerie, then I'ma slide through. That'll get you 8, 1, 4 times.
You gotta feel like a female, get all up in it, all up in it. You gotta get all up in it. Feel like a female, get all up in it. I don't like nothing dirty. Nothing dirty. When I take care of my boat, I like it how I like my female. Clean. You have to be clean. I don't care if it's winter. Take care of yourself. Take care of your baby. Take care. I take care of my baby. Magic Yacht, clean in the winter, clean in the spring, clean in the summer, everywhere. A lot of people be paying people. I do mine by myself. You want your boat clean? Call me. 1-800, I'll clean your boat.
Hey girl, I'm trying to get you close to me. I can't let you fall away. Hey girl, I'm trying to get you close to me. I can't let you fall away. Middle finger to your ex, he ain't do you right. Pull up on the real, let me do you right. Middle finger to your ex, he ain't do you right. Pull up on the real, let me do you
He
right.
ain't treat you like a boss. Just because you lost him, baby, that don't mean you lost. Now he looking lost. Took a real one to come and hit you with the sauce. Came through and cleaned you up like I did the chores. Girl, ain't none of these jaws.